I got this lunch bag, or tote bag for work because I kind of want to cut down on the fast food. So I want to, cook food and take it to work. So this is what it's looking like. Okay, has that, so it looks like it has a strap inside. Okay, comes with an extra strap. This feels very durable. The inside. This is actually pretty big. This is bigger than what I thought. Okay. And it has, is this a pocket on the side? Yes, it has a pocket right there. Another one right here. I can put my juice, put like my forks and stuff, or a snack right there. And right here. Okay. Now you have to zip and unzip. Yeah. This is a container that I typically take to work. Fits nicely down in there, and I have extra space. And I'm just like putting the water in here to see how that fits.